So, as you can see, here is the circuit schematic. So you've got the DC power supply here, well, the DC bench, then you've got the 120 ohm resistor, the 150 ohm resistor, and then the 220 ohm resistor. As you can see, these arrows are representing the current. So what I've done is I've got each resistor calculated out the amount of ohms that it's resisting. Now over here we have the multimeter, which is registering the amount of amps going through. So it's got 0.0514 milliamps. Now because it's 0.05, it's too small to show up on the amps here. So when we press this, this will go to 0, and then this will go up to about 8. We'll just try and get that as close. Then when we press it in, what ends up happening is it's just too small, so it won't actually show up there. So what we have is the resistors in series. So we've got this resistor, and this resistor all connected. Then this is going up to the multimeter. This one is going to the power supply. This is going up to the multimeter, and then this black one is into the power supply then. So whenever I move the cables to the next resistor, what ends up happening is it is too small of a current to actually show up on here, or that I have made a connection error, which is the most plausible theory, but I think I've noticed where I've gone wrong, so bear with me. Straighten this out, bear with me. Oh. So I'm not sure where I've gone wrong, but basically it's just too small to show up. So how the quartz and fine tune work. So basically what you want to do is you want to use this to get as close to 8 as you can, and then you use the fine tune to bring it as close as you can to 8. Like so.